Hey yo, it's Chriso. What I've got the owner to do is put in a 40mm aluminium strip, and here is a 35 aluminium strip. The shower, that's how it'll look. My floor tile, I've just cut a bit of scrap wall tile. It's the same thickness as the floor. This will be hidden, this aluminium. So I go around at my height, like so. Once I've set up all my heights, well, easy peasy. With the laser level, everything's easy these days. Lovely. I know that's my mark. See what I'm doing there? That's my screed height. That is my screed height there. I put that on because it's my floor tile. I could just tap it down a couple of mil. That's it. Next. And I go right around the whole floor. Like so. The owner has asked me, can I give him a 15mm lower at the waist, so from there down to there I'll have a fall. He wants a fall of 15mm. I've said to him, okie dokie, no worries, if that's what you want. Too easy. Put that on there. Yep. So now I will go 15mm. Where's my pencil? That's a 15mm to there. So I've got to come up. I'll do that in a minute actually, because I haven't put any glue down. just like that. Right, I'll come back to you shortly and show you when I've done all the pads, and then all you're doing is just filling in. I'll give this a slight fall. I'm laying large format tiles, so you can't give it too much fall out here because you can't bend your big tiles like rubber. Okay, we'll see you soon.